Imagine the excitement of finally taking delivery of your long-awaited Cybertruck. The anticipation, the thrill of driving your brand new electric beast. But for one unlucky owner, that dream quickly turned into a nightmare. Owner of the Cybertruck couldn't believe it. Just 35 miles into owning the Cybertruck and it breaks down. Coolant leaking from the rear, a sight no owner wants to see. To make matters worse, when the owner contacted Tesla, they were told that coolant leaks weren't covered under warranty. Owner commented following, "I couldn't believe it. After spending 6 figures on this truck, I expected better." After some pushback, Tesla relented and sent a tow truck to pick up the stranded Cybertruck. But the damage was done. The owner left wondering how long it would take to get their pride and joy back on the road. A cautionary tale for Cybertruck enthusiasts everywhere. Remember, even the most cutting-edge vehicles can encounter unexpected issues. Stay tuned for updates on this unfolding story. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more car-related content.